Sanibona bafethu phila lo. So today nginiphathele another video ezodinga ukuthi sibuyele emuva futhi siyo back test. Ngifuna ukuthi ningalokhu nibuyele emuva niyafuna ukuprove ukuthi lokho is it true. Yes, you can do it for yourself and check ukuthi lento engitshengisayo ikhona ngempela na, kodwa nje 100% ngiyaguarantee lento engikhuluma ngayo. Look at this. What do we have now? Okay, before siya phambili, remember we have support and resistance, and support and resistance yiyo controller most of the things that are happening in the market. To know support and resistance, you don't need degrees, masters, and don't know. You don't need all that. What you need is to listen and understand. Hell, if you don't understand, I don't know what you can do to understand, but it's simple. Or you can keep on watching the videos, repeat them until you understand. It's simple. I know that it will be hard for you for the first time to understand ukuthi support and resistance idrawa kanjani. How do you identify support? How do you identify resistance? But then I'm here for you guys. I'll help you. So now I'm on weekly. I'll start by analyzing on a weekly and check ukuthi where is the market headed and where is the market coming from. Sorry. And now I want you to understand ukuthi the market is moving the same most of the time. Once you understand ukuthi market ihamba kanjani, I don't know ukuthi ngizothi lapho so achieve in the market. Now those are the basics. Those are the basics that you need to understand and that you need to know. You know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okay, fine. Let's go straight to the point. Okay. Now we have our support and resistance ready. I'm going to check out a bit. I didn't even check. Okay, fine. This pair it figured recently, so there's no data to check on the previous. But then let's go back to weekly. Okay, as you can see, when was it? Probably 2020. Yeah, I figured 2020, so there's nothing much on the left, but we still have something on the left that we can use in the future. So now we have this one, we have this one, we have this one, and this one as well. So it's a pattern that you need to understand which price is hamba kanjani according to the pattern. So now you know ukuthi what are we expecting here. Even though ingeke ihambe like this. Oh, I want to sneeze, but it's a bit far. So now by looking at this, now you know ukuthi price yenzani and where is the price headed and how is that. Okay, fine. Now you know that because of the history at GSM move. So where to start now? We need to check ku smaller time frame ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle kahle. Okay, we need to remove all these. Let's go to daily. Daily time frame to izodinga ukuthi squeeze nyana sibuyele move phansi. Okay, look at this. Squeeze one more. Okay, this is where it started. 1 2. So the price isuka lana izala. So look at this. For the price ukuthi ikhuphuke, ilokhu creates ama opportunities we buy phela. When what do? You look for buy opportunities phela until the price ifika. Same thing. The price mayisuka la. What are you looking for? Ama sell opportunities only until the price ifika. So now what do? You wait for the price ukuthi ifike before you sell again. You don't sell now. Excuse me. So by looking at this, we have something here. It's a potential continuation pattern. Here is it, and it was tested several times here, and then it was validated here. A beat, yeah, we also align with this one. Look, A1. Okay, fine. So just step. So ibuyile testa lana, then yahamba, ya create another continuation pattern, potential continuation pattern. It was also tested here. It was penetrated. Yabuyazo testa la. So ama-chance ukuthi iphinde ibuyela are very high. Izopenetrate this one, or ingayipenetrate align nayo as much as iseselana manje. Ama-chance ukuthi yehle are very high. But now, before aba high, we need to look at something. Let me zoom out and use a drawing instrument. Look at this. We have a trend line here. Our trend line is still valid, and now I'm on daily time frame. I'm using the higher time frame. Look at this. It's a box of flip. You're not gonna see what I want to show you. Flip. Keep it going. Okay, fine. Start afresh. Everything. Okay. So now look at this. You see what's gonna happen. So now what am I expecting from the price? Expected price if we is a testala before you take off. But now I'm not saying this is what's gonna happen. And remember ukuthi why ngenzele box tail because of this PCP. It was tested here and here, but this one was the major test. Okay, fine, let's take everything out. Scale pansi. Okay, sinesikhathi esincane sisele. Look at this. Look at this. Angitestile la. Yabuya yeza la. Yet mayisuka la ya created this one. Let me go to H4 probably. You'll see better. It created this one and it was tested by this one. So now we have this. The price before year pays will ngabuyizo tester la bese iyakhuphuka. That's what might happen. So guys, ngizonifakela a video where I explain the support and resistance. Ngizoyithola on the top description. I mean ngizoyithola on the top corner, then ngizofaka ne link ku description. So ngizomake sure ukuthi if out 2 or 3 lawo ma video where I talk about the support and resistance ngizowafaka, and also at the PCP ukuthi niwazi uyi understand ukuthi PCP isebenza kanjani. So guys, into ezonisiza ukuthi you must go back and check the previous video so that you can understand ukuthi this thing isebenza kanjani. Don't forget to watch all the videos that I will put on this above screen, guys, as well as to unseason bene understanding ukuthi okay, how is forex working, or how to become profitable in this trading industry. Someone will ask himself or herself, why ngingabuyanga on this one? It's not safe to buy on this one. Where am I going to put my stop loss? I don't risk. Unga risk ukuze ube safe now. See you on my next video.